Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today we're going to do an unboxing, an assembly, and a quick trial review of this Ryobi 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. Quick features: besides the 2000 PSI, it can put through 1.2 gallons per minute. It has a turbo nozzle, which is up to 50% faster cleaning, they say, an onboard soap tank, and it's built for easy transport with wheels and a telescoping handle, and it's got that durable roll cage that you see. It includes the handle and the wand, a hose, and 3 different nozzles. Ryobi always has a 3-year limited warranty, so keep that in mind when they try to offer you the extended warranty at the checkout. And price point as of May 2023, this was a Home Depot buy, and I think we paid $229 for it, and we got a 10% discount, so right around $200. Let's do a quick time unboxing and then put it together. Removing from the box was error-free, pretty simple. They packed it real sturdy. Comes with your 2 wheels and the axle that you'll snap on with a little hubcap cover, the hose, a nice long cord it looks like, and the cord is safety split. I'm sure it has like a GFCI type thing. Soap on top, and 1 nozzle here. The other 2 nozzles are on board, so that's nice. It all stays together. The handle looks like it just pushes in. They do give you a nozzle selection guide and a quick start guide on how to put it together and start it. That's useful. Now, one thing you're going to want to do is register this with their site so you get that limited warranty and you get your credit for owning one of these. We're going to go back to QuickTime and I'm going to install everything and put it together. Putting it together was really straightforward. You only need 1 tool, and that's a screwdriver for the back handle. You screw the 2 screws in there that they provide. The handle pops up nicely and it rolls like luggage, so that's kind of neat. You can store your wands on the back, and there's a nice big Velcro strap on this side, actually on both sides, so you can wind up your electric cord, keep it there, and wind up your actual pressure hose to keep it there. We're going to try this outside on the pool deck and get the pool deck cleaned off. I like that this nozzle, this handle, is lots bigger, big enough to get a good grip and clamp onto the hose. All right, we're all set up. It took maybe 10 minutes from the box to being ready to turn the water on and press the power button. I've got the low pressure power head on right now, and we did buy one of those 12-inch circular deck cleaning attachments that we're going to try out as well. But first, let's power it on. I'm not even going to add soap. We're just going to see how it sounds. So here we go. Pretty quiet. Everything works normally. Let's see how it looks. Taking the grime off here, I'll try to do a quick one. We're in the shade, it is wet, but you can see kind of the splotchy area. Takes the winter grime and a little bit of a growth off. Really nice. So that's it. That's the Ryobi 2000 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute premium electric pressure washer. It seems to work as advertised. I'll add a little bit of soap on top. It is an automatic soap dilution device. If you like this video, if it helps you, I'll stick a link down in the description below on where you can learn more about this model or perhaps buy one for yourself. But I've got a lot of deck to clean, so I'm going to get to work. But as always, thanks for watching.